Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 11th standard mathematics, chapter number 1, example 1.2. In a survey of 5,000 persons in a town, it was found that 45% of the persons know language A, 25% know language B, 10% know language C, 5% know language A and B, 4% know language B and C, and 4% know language A and C. If 3% of the persons know all the three languages, find the number of persons who know only language A. Here, we have three different languages. Language A I consider as capital A, language B I consider as capital B, and language C I consider as capital C. Number of persons in a town are surveyed. How many of them are surveyed? 5,000. Here, N of A, that is equal to given 45% of the total. What's the total here? 5,000. 45% of 5,000 know language A. Like that, N of B equals 25% of 5,000. N of C equals 10% of 5,000. A and B represents A intersection B. Whenever AND comes, you have to put intersection. That is 5% of the total, that is 5,000. And B and C represents N of B intersection C, that is 4% of 5,000. A and C represents A intersection C, that is 4% of 5,000. Finally, all the three languages A, B and C, that represents A intersection B intersection C. That is 3% of the total, that is 3% of 5,000. You are asked to find number of persons who know only language A. Right. Since we have three sets, capital A and capital B and capital C, draw the Venn diagram like this. We can make use of that Venn diagram, or you can go for that formula. So better to go for that Venn diagram, it is easy. Here, first you have to fill this portion. This portion belongs to all the three languages. All the three languages, here it is, what it is, 3% of 5,000. You just write 3% only. Okay, 3%. Next, this portion, particularly this portion, belongs to A and B. A and B. A and B, that is equal to A and B, here it is 5%. 5%. So together, these together 5%. Since we have 3%, what is the balance? This is 2%. Look at the 2% plus 3% equals 5%. Next one, this portion belongs to B and C. B and C. B and C, here it is. B and C, that is equal to 4%. Correct? Since we have 3%, what is the balance? 1%. 3% plus 1%, that is equal to 4%. This portion belongs to A and C. A and C, here it is. Once again 4%. Since it is 3%, what is the balance? 1%. 1% plus 3% together, 4%. Now, we have to fill this portion. This portion represents A only. This empty portion represents A only. This represents B only. This empty portion represents C only. Here you are asked to find out language A only. So you can fill this portion only. That is enough. You no need to fill these two and all. Right? So I highlight this portion. This portion represents A only. The highlighted only. Okay, for finding this portion, the highlighted portion, you know the value of N of A. N of A, the entire circle represents N of A. The shaded portion only, that is A only. Okay, N of A, here it is. What is N of A? 45%. So 1, 2, 3, 4, all 4 together 45%. So for finding this portion, listen, I do it here. 45 minus, add all the 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 45 minus 6, that is equal to 39. So this portion is 39%. Now number of persons who know only language A, that is 39% of 5000. Okay, shall we write the final step? Therefore, number of persons who know language A only equals 39% of 5000 equals 39% can be written as 39 by 100 into 5000. So 00 get cancelled. Then you have to multiply these two. 0 into anything is 0. Then multiplied by 5. 5 9s are 45. Balance 4. 3 5s are 15 plus 4 19. So that is the answer. So 1950. So example 1.2 is completed. Before winding up, before I conclude this video, one correction to be made in exercise 1.1. In exercise 1.1, I already have completed the first problem. In the first problem, particularly in first subdivision, we have written that roster form as 1 to 10. This is wrong. You have to change it. I strike out this one. Here, what is given? X is a prime number given. So from 1 to 10, what I have written from 1 to 10, out of these 10 numbers, what are all the prime numbers to be written? So that I change it here. Roster form equals, you know that 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. The first prime number is 2. At the same time, 2 is the only even prime number. Everybody knows. So next to 2, 3 and 5, finally 7. So these are the 4 prime numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. So please change it. Then I will be teaching the next example, another example in the next video. Thank you, children.